Wow! So magdahil tayo?
Happy Valentine's Day, guys, from Shu family, and right now we are having our Sangyup Valentine's. Ayan, so we are wearing red for everyone. So love, 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 guys. Sangyup party!
I'm coming home to you. I'm coming home to you. I'm coming home to you. And I know that it's all with you, but I'm coming home to you. I'm coming home to you.
Sige, go!
Ito mas Rodrigo. Sige, go. 1, 2, 3, go. Nag-blur.
Asa kuan? Yani.
Wala lagi na pangita, eh.
Mo ni or kay Gabrihan mag-o. Ato Gabrihan. Ato Gabrihan. 안녕하세요.
Ladies and gentlemen, how to eat Sangyup. Go! We have here our Korean.
We have here our
Korean!
I could knows Korean guys. Yes?
Sangyup. Go!
Saranghe?
You could knows, this is how you do it.
From North Korea.
This is how you do it.
From airport to airport. What cheese? This cheese? Cheeses. So we only have 4 cheeses, cube size, 0.5, 0.5, 0.5. That's 4, 0.5, 0.5. That's 1. Okay. There are lots of, wow, pork. Why are you using what?
Gunting!
Next, we need to have pork. Like, is this cooked already?
No. Half lang yan.
Half cooked.
Wash it!
Yeah. You know what? This is dirty, so you need to wash it.
Then put it back.
Then put it back to have a sanitation.
Proper protocol.
Madam Enday Sara, protocol. You need to put kimchi.
I no. I want pork.
Minchi. Yeah. We're waiting for the pork to cook. Namoy pork dara? So this is the finished product. So you need to cover it. You're gonna roll this 1, 2, 3, 4, then
Na ay pa cake because ay pa cake because ay pa cake because problema si Choy ba?
Yan.
Yael, what is that?
Hey, what's up, bitches? I have something for the Su family, especially sa mga uga. So, tanawa natin kinsa makaunag hurot.
Eddie!
Utin mo nila.
Dili ko yung...
Hi! Welcome to my channel! Magandang buhay! Magandang buhay! Sa umaga, tayo na...
Talingaw kayo mo guys, may nata pagsayaw, mali itong nasa TikTok. Ano yun dapat pagsayaw? Guys, nari ako ang kambal, pinakadakog notes. Yo, what's up? Kita daw notes, be. Magic show! May magic show!
Magawat ang kalapati nila!
Alright, so, eto na! Yan na tayo. We have our 30,000 viewers live. Alright, so, ladies and gentlemen, eto na. Please help me welcome all the way from the
Music!
Korea. Okay, Moon, Korea.
Nasa itong balloon tapos awa ka na si Eddie sa
Hey, our very own kani proud kayo niya. Golden Dancer. Member sa Su Family, the Golden Dancer. Ladies and gentlemen, ang TikToker ng Davao City. Palakpakan natin, Eddie Bulawan!
Dia bunda terapa.
Alright, Eddie! Okay.
Nakay kape.
Alright guys, si Eddie dance.
Uy, namin kape.
Okay, palakpakan Eddie!
E a bunda dela
Alright, palakpakan natin si Eddie! Do you want more? Press 1, guys. Napasa isa ka dance presentation, press 1 lang, press 1. Uy, palakpak daw, oh, ang galing-galing daw, Zin. Alright, press 1. Pag di mo kabalo mag-press 1, press the Lord. Ready na sila, ready na tayo, guys. Okay, sige na, nahanap tayo for another dance presentation, okay, for our opening production. Eto na, this is a group dance. Aning dance, okay. 1 year ni gi-prepare sa Su Family ha. Then ang nagtudlo ani ang choreographer. Walay lain kundi ang aning-aning itself, Aris Gusimili. Palakpak! Ayan, Aris! First step.
You put this one, you
Uh-huh.
put this one, then...
Okay, tutorial guys. Tindog mo tanong tindog kay tutorial, tindog. Sige, dahil tutorial sa inyong mga balay, go talking.
Ilang balay? Yung mga balay.
Okay, ayan, ito na. Ato ang aning-aning dancing.
Okay, start na.
Tutorial, go, tutorial. Pinakailan sila, tutorial. Okay, go, tutorial.
Okay, first thing to do is you put your hand that. The right hand should be, the left would be elevated.
Left is elevated. The right is
Going down.
And then,
You move like that.
and okay, nakuha na ninyo guys. Nakuha na ninyo, press 1 daw, press 1 kung nakuha na ninyo. Alright, so that we can start our dance presentation.
Kaduga ba ni
Okay?
Matet mo press 1?
Press 1 lang!
Press one lang! Matet! Kaya dugay mo tayo!
Ati Jasmine ang gusto masayawan ni Matet.
Ayan! Kasi ayaw po si Ate Jasmine.
Amo kayo naman huran, galing ko po. Hi,
Alright, ito na, our group dance. Ladies and gentlemen, in the tune, aning-aning, okay, in the tune, aning-aning. Can you give a big round of applause for the Su family?
Aling-aling yun na isa guys.
Okay, go! Jangan tutup.
Hey guys, we're live here at King's Landing. So, naalay Sanggyo party. Oh, social ang sa family doon. Ay budget kay nanay kwarta ang YouTube. Yay! Salamat sa mga viewers at sa lahat ng mga subscribers dyan. This is for you guys and this is for us. So, yun lang. Mwah.